Are tangled wires and unsightly cables ruining the look of your home office or entertainment setup? You're not alone. Many buyers overlook the importance of a good cable organizer, leading to frustration and clutter. In this comparison, we're diving into the top 5 cable organizer boxes available on Amazon in 2026, showcasing their unique features and benefits. Stick around to discover which pick stands out as the best for keeping your space tidy and functional. Don't forget, links in the description for current prices, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Oxford Cable Management Box. The Oxford Cable Management Box is an excellent choice for individuals looking to streamline their workspace without sacrificing style. This sleek box is designed to conceal messy cables and power strips, transforming your workstation into a visually appealing and organized area. Made from durable materials, it offers ample space for various cables and plugs, accommodating everything from computer wires to phone chargers. Ideal for home office users or anyone keen on maintaining a tidy environment, its minimalist design blends seamlessly with modern decor. However, some users may find the size a bit restrictive for larger setups, making it less ideal for extensive systems. Jackboss Toolbox. If you're someone who appreciates versatility, the Jackboss Toolbox brings a unique twist to cable management. While primarily designed as a toolbox, its spacious interior and compartmentalization make it a savvy choice for organizing cables and cords. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable way to keep your electronic accessories in check, this box is up for the task. It's robust and easy to carry, perfect for both home use and on-the-go scenarios. One potential drawback is that its utilitarian design may not match every aesthetic, but its functionality far outweighs this minor concern. Large Cable Management Box. The Large Cable Management Box is tailored for those who have multiple devices and require an efficient solution for their cords. With a generous compartment size, it can hold various cables, chargers, and even power strips, keeping everything out of sight and neatly organized. This box is perfect for families or individuals with extensive electronic setups, as it prevents tangling and minimizes visual clutter. Its stylish appearance means it can easily blend into any room, from living areas to offices. However, some users might find it slightly bulky, which could take up significant space in a smaller area. Cable Organizer Box Set of 3. For those who love organization and customization, the Cable Organizer Box Set of 3 offers an exceptional solution. This set includes 3 different size boxes, allowing you to tackle cable management in various spaces effectively. Whether you need to conceal gaming wires, office cables, or chargers, you'll have the right size on hand. Their stackable design adds to their appeal, making them perfect for tight spaces, while still being aesthetically pleasing. While the diversity of sizes is a strength, some users may wish for a more durable material, as occasional wear could arise with constant use. YUANYE Cable Management Box Cable Management Kit. When it comes to comprehensive cable management, the YUANYE Cable Management Box Cable Management Kit takes the top spot for 2026. This all-in-one solution is designed for maximum efficiency, featuring multiple compartments for various cable types and a sleek design that fits seamlessly into any decor. It's particularly useful for tech-savvy individuals or families with numerous devices that require organized charging solutions. The kit even includes cable ties, making it easier than ever to keep your cords in line. While the price point may be higher than some simpler alternatives, the quality and functionality make it a worthwhile investment for long-term organization. Now that you've seen the top 5 cable organizer boxes of 2026, it's time to take control of your clutter and choose the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for something stylish, versatile, or comprehensive, There's an option here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the perfect cable organizer for your home or office. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more great content.